Welcome to Okada, Manila, one of the most luxurious destinations here in the Philippines. And today, let me tour you around their elegant deluxe twin room na akala ko talaga milyon-milyon ang labanan. Kasi yun yung mga nakikita ko sa YouTube, sa TikTok, sa Facebook, ganyan. Medyo kaya-kaya naman pala if may extra budget ka for relaxation and gusto niyo lang din to experience this kind of vibes. And if you're into entertainment, kasi diba here you have shopping boutiques, relaxing spa services, world-class casino, and of course, the iconic fountain show. The room is spacious, thoughtfully designed, and finished with warm tones and modern Japanese-inspired details. It gives you relaxing 5-star atmosphere. Binasa ko lang yan. This deluxe twin room features 2 generously sized twin beds, dressed in premium linen, super lambot ng pillows, and the mattress. You have enough room to move around ng komportable. O, tingnan naman si Sasha. Dito pala, sa side na to, tinakpan ko yung mga display foods kasi alam naman natin, if maalis sila dyan ng ilang minuto, room charge, mainit sa mata ni Sasha. So, depending on your view, you can enjoy either the city skyline or the stunning Manila Bay kasi mayroon pa pala tong Coral and Pearl Wing na sobrang litong-lito kami. I think sa Coral Wing kami kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Imagine waking up here, ang sarap ng feeling, parang instant reset kasi saktong-sakto nung nagpaplano kami ng staycation. Alam nyo ba, nung nakaraang Valentine's Day nga pala to. Very, very short staycation lang. So yun, habang naghahanap kami ng hotel, may nabasa ako sa newsfeed ko. Ang sabi dun, we stress too much over a life that can end at any moment. Make sure you live. So, di ba pagkabasa ko nun, super hanap talaga ako kung saan pwede mamasyal. Kasi parang need ko talaga nung time na yun ng reset kahit palagi naman. So, yun habang naghahanap nga ako, tumatakbo talaga sa isip ko nung nabasa ko yun is we overthink the future. Puro tayo paano kung we postpone happiness, telling ourselves, next month na lang siguro I'll rest or next year na lang tayo mag-travel. Someday I'll start living. Pero ang totoo, life has never promised us someday. Ano ba yan, naiyak ako. Room tour ta dapat eh. Everything we're stressing about, problems, opinions, failures, temporary setbacks can disappear in an instant. Life is fragile, not in a scary way, but in a clarifying way. It reminds us that time is limited, moments are borrowed, tomorrow is never guaranteed. So make sure you live, not just survive, not just exist, not just function. Make sure that while you're here, you're actually living. Ay, so yun. Anyways, back to room tour. Now, let's step into the bathroom. Kanina pa pala. Ang pinaka nagpawaw sa akin, as you can see, itong kabuuan nito. You have spacious rain shower, premium bath amenities, bathtub. Syempre, yung mismong toilet, fully smart with automatic lid opening, built-in bidet features, adjustable water pressure, seat warmer, and even a self-cleaning function. Yes, ganun siya ka-advance. May digital controls din that let you customize everything based on your preference. So, kung gusto mo warm water, gentle wash, or heated seat, ikaw ang masusunod, ganyan. So, yan, after nating mag-emote sa room tour, bumaba na tayo at kumain. Sa Medley nga pala ang breakfast buffet namin. At ang gaganda ng food reviews dito sa nabasa ko. So, super excited ako yun habang pababa kami. Here nga pala, even going from Coral Wing to Medley Buffet is an experience. Instead of walking the long hallways, you can ride your golf cart service. Comfortable, convenient, and perfect lalo na if you're with family, seniors, kids, ganyan. Or yung mga ayaw maglakad, just request assistance and within minutes, may susundo na sa'yo. Kami naman dyan, nag-antay lang kami sa parang lobby nila. Nag-picture muna kasi kami. Then nung nakita namin na may paparating na golf cart, nagpa-assist na kami sa Medley Buffet. Habang naka-golf cart ka, you get to enjoy the grand interiors of the hotel. The elegant lighting, high ceilings, and luxurious ambience without getting tired. Now let's talk about the food because this is where the real magic happens. Medley offers a wide selection of international cuisines pero dito talaga muna ako dumiretso sa mga paborito kong pastries and breads, from fresh seafoods like crabs, shrimps, mussels, to premium carving stations featuring juicy roasted meats. May mga Japanese sections din with sushi and sashimi, Chinese favorites, Korean dishes, Filipino classics, Western comfort food, and even Indian specialties. Meron din sila dito. May init, bagong luto, lahat full of flavors. Seafood lover, meat lover, pasta and pizza fan. Meron din dito. Actually, ang dami talagang pamimilian, nakakalito as in. And let's not forget the dessert station, a paradise for anyone with a sweet tooth. And ako yon. What makes Medley Buffet special isn't just the variety, it's the quality. Kasi wala talaga akong kinuha dito na hindi ko nagustuhan or talagang ganun lang yung panlasa ko. Gusto ko talaga lahat. Every dish is thoughtfully prepared, beautifully presented, and packed with flavors. Meron din silang iba't iba ditong, yan, parang salad station, na fresh yung mga vegetables nila. Tapos yung mga fruits nila, may mga buo pa silang fruits din. So, okay na okay yun. Ayan. Itong ibang breads, yan, hindi mawawala yan sa tinikman ko, yung ensaymada. And the oat side. Meron din sila dito mga dumplings, siomai, ang sasarap nun. Tapos itong mga bacon nila. And the juices. And after nyan, syempre, nag-golf cart ulit kami pabalik ng room. Super busog kami and super nag-enjoy ako sa foods. Yun lang. Bye-bye.